Hi, this is Heather from Weifang ZY Packaging Printing. Some customers usually ask us some questions about the paper packaging, so today we will give you some answers for your reference. What documents do I need to provide if I want a customization box? Your design documents such as PDF, PSD, AI, EPS, and other format documents, and provide Pantone color number of your products. But what if I don't have a design draft? We have a professional design team that can serve you for free. Design the style you want and send it to you for confirmation. Will there be color difference? If you can't provide an accurate Pantone color number, there will be slight color difference because different mobile phones, computers, and other displays different colors. So we will try ensure that the product color is what you want. Thanks for watching. We will answer more questions about paper packaging in the next video. Follow us, give us a like. I will see you in the next video. Bye!